Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw on Google Slides so that you can insert a drawing of your insulating design prototype. So right here I put a blue box and I wrote insert a drawing of the prototype here, click on select line and click on scribble to draw. What I mean by that is you go up to the menu bar or the toolbar and there's a little button that says select line. You're going to go to the drop down menu and you're going to go all the way down to where it says scribble. The scribble will allow you to have a pen that you can use to just simply draw. So you're going to be using this multiple times to draw your insulating sleeve. Once you finish drawing the components, you will want to label them. So what I would do is I would go to shape and you go to callouts, and this will allow you to have these speech bubbles, and that will allow you to kind of create a little text box. Let's say this is paper. That will allow you to label the different parts of your drawing. So you're going to do that for your entire insulating sleeve challenge prototypes. So you'll do one for prototype 1 and you'll do one for prototype 2 and so on and so forth.